Hello, welcome back. Weirdo says hi. Weirdo the duck is with us. Last one, let's do it. Let's see if we can make it the shortest video ever. Weirdo the duck thinks I can fit it in here if I write smaller. All right, number 6. Weird dumb. Still going to use the W. 60. So call this weird dumb method. So X is 60. And the first thing I do is I print X. And then, if X is bigger than 1, I recursively call with X divided by 2. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. Okay, so I have handled this. So now I need to figure out this recursive call. So I'm going to come back in. X is 30, and the first thing I do in the method is I print X, which is 30. And then I call weirdum, because X is bigger than 1, with 30 divided by 2. So I call weirdum with 15. So I've just replaced this. I didn't rewrite the 60 this time, so I'm going to leave it up there. I think I can do that with this particular example. So weirdum X is 15. I come into weirdum, and the first thing I do is I print the 15, and then 15 is bigger than 1, so I recursively call weirdum with 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5, but they're both integers, so it's just 7. So I've done this. So now I need to figure out what this value is. So come in, X is 7, I print the 7, and then 7 is bigger than 1, so I recursively call with 7 divided by 2. I can't fit it on the page. 7 divided by 2 is 3. So I've done this piece. So far, I've already printed these things actually. As the recursions are happening, these things are printing. So we're going to pretend that what I write next is way over here. You get the feel for it, right? So weirdum 3, X is 3. First thing I do is I print the 3, and then 3 is bigger than 1, so I call weirdum with 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, which is just 1. So I've done this piece. And then weirdum with X equal to 1, I come into the method, and I print X, because that's what this says to do with a space after. And then if X is bigger than 1, it is not. I do this, and it is not bigger. So this is it. So the difference here is we still work left to right, right? So these we printed left to right, and the same from here. This is further to the left than the rest. And remember, this whole block is kind of way over there. So what's going to print is the 60, 30, then the 15, then the 7, then the 3, and then the 1. Like that. Alright, well, it wasn't the shortest video, but we did it. Yay, Weirdo was so proud of us. Alright, if you made it this far, I'm amazed. I feel like I should put something for extra credit. Wasn't ready for it. So I know, if someone comes to an online session, and so, you know, you have these like Easter egg things and games you can find and stuff, and we have Easter coming up with you. So, Easter, little decorated Easter egg. But I know in a game it means something different, but something you could find. So this is our little Easter egg in our little basket. So if someone says Easter egg at the next online session, I'll know they made it this far in the videos. Or you could just type in the chat window, egg, Easter egg. All right, have a great day, A students. See you later.